Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed B reading, that is a poem, and the name of that poem was The Duck and the Kangaroo, isn't it? I think you remember the story. Yes, the story was, yes, what that poem tell us. Yes, this poem shows the true love of two friends, the duck and the kangaroo. True friends help one another. The duck thinks that her life is boring as she always lives in a dirty pond. She likes to go out and see the world. She says that the kangaroo is lucky who can jump or sprint. The duck also likes to have the same quality. The duck requests the kangaroo the duck requests the kangaroo to give her a ride on his back. They will go over the land and the sea. The kangaroo agrees, but he complains that her wet and cold feet will trouble him. The duck replies that she has 4 pairs of woolen socks and these fit her feet neatly. She has also bought a cock to keep out the cold. She will also smoke a cigar daily. The kangaroo gets ready and advises the duck to sit steady to keep his balance. She should sit on the tip of his tail. In this way, they hopped the whole world round 3 times and both became happy. So, isn't it? This was the story of the duck and the kangaroo. Today, we will be moving to the C reading, that is Little Bobby. Name of the lesson is Little Bobby. It is the story about a boy. And what was the name of that boy? The name of the boy is Bobby. So we will see the lesson. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. So little Bobby, what did he do? He went into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So as his birthday was near, he was thinking that it is a good time for me to tell what he want. Means actually normally even we also on our birthdays we ask our parents that we want cycle or bike or anything, isn't it? In the same way he was also planning that he want to ask his mother a gift for his birthday. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. So he went inside the kitchen where his mother was making dinner and he thought of asking a bike as a gift for his birthday. So he asked his mother that I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. Troublemaker means a person who often causes trouble. So, little Bobby was little bit a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. He used to make trouble in school as well as home also. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. So his mother asked him that do you deserve to get a bike on your birthday? She questioned Bobby that do you deserve to get a bike on your birthday? Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. So then he said, he was singing, of course, why shouldn't I get a bike? So what did his mother ask? Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday." So, as he said, yes, he deserves to get a bike. Then his mother asked Bobby to reflect. Reflect means think. To think about his behavior over the last year means that whole year how he have behaved. His mother asked him to think about his behavior that year, and she asked him to go to his room and think about his behavior and write a letter to God that why he deserve means qualified to have something. So she asked Bobby to go into his room and think about his behavior in that year and write a letter. She asked him to write a letter to God saying that why he deserve a bike for his birthday. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. So, by listening her mother's words, little Bobby stumped. Stumped means walked in a noisy way in an upset mood. By listening the words of her mother, Bobby got upset and he stumped up the steps means he made a noise while walking. He was making noise and he went into his room. Jessie, his pet dog name is Jessie. That also followed Bobby, and Bobby was thinking for some time, and he sat down to write a letter. To whom? He sat down to write a letter to God. And beside him, Jessie. Who that Jessie is? His pet dog. That was also sitting beside Bobby and watching Bobby that what he was doing. So here you see letter 1. So as he started writing the letter. So the first letter, what did he write? We will see. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. So what did he write to God? He was saying that dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like to have a bike for my birthday. And also he was mentioning the color of the bike also. What was that? Red one. Yours friend Bobby. He has written that letter, first letter. After writing that, Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He knew that that was not true because he was a troublemaker. Then what did he wrote in that letter? He wrote that he was very good boy in that year. But it was not true. Even that Bobby also knew that that was not true. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another. Even he also knew that he was not a very good boy in that year. So as he knew that, he tore that letter which he has written first and he again started writing another letter. We will see the second letter what he has written. Letter 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. In the second letter, what he has written, this is your friend Bobby. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year. Before, in the first letter, what he has written, I have been a very good boy. From that, he was writing what? I have been a good boy, not a very good boy. I have been a good boy this year, and I would like a red bike for my birthday. So he was saying that I was a good boy and I want a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bob. That was the second letter. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. So he tore up the letter and started again. Even the second letter also, he knew that that was not true. The first letter he has written very good boy. In the second letter he has written good boy. Those two letters he knew that those are not true. By knowing that, again he tore that letter and he started to write again. And we will see what he has written the third letter. Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday, Bobby. So, in the third letter, you see what he has written. I have been an okay boy, not a good boy, an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. So, he was saying that he was an okay boy. In the first letter, he has written very good boy. In the second letter, good boy. And in the third letter, okay boy. But he want to have a bike for his birthday. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So, Bobby wrote the fourth letter. So, even Bobby know that he was also not an okay boy also that year. As he knew that, and also he could not send this letter to God saying that he was an okay boy. So, again he started writing the fourth letter. We will see what he has written in the fourth letter. Letter 4. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you, Bobby. See what he has written in the fourth letter. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. He is agreeing that he is not a good boy that year. And he is saying sorry for that. I am very sorry. And he is saying that I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike. What he is saying, if you send me a bike for my birthday, then I will be a good boy. And he is requesting whom God saying, please, thank you. So, see in the next paragraph, Bobby knew even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Even what it was, Bobby know that letter can't get him a bike for his birthday, because what all the letters he has written was not true. The 4 letters which he has written was not true. In the first letter, what he was writing, he was a very good boy. In the second letter, he was a good boy. In the third letter, okay boy. In the fourth letter, he is saying that he is agreeing that he was not a good boy, but he is saying that if he get a cycle for his if he get a bike for his birthday, then only he will be a good boy. So by those words, he knew that by these words he will not get a bike. Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mother that he wanted to go to church. By writing 4 letters, he knew that he can't get a bike by those letters, because he was not a good boy in that year. And he was very much upset, and he went downstairs and he told his mother that he wanted to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. Just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him. Then what did his mother thought? Who Bobby's mother? She was thinking that her plan has worked, as Bobby was very sad. So she thought that his plan has worked, and she told him to come, just be home in time for dinner. Means she agreed to go to church, but she asked him to come by uh, dinner time. And yes, Bobby's mother asked him to reach home by dinner time, and she was thinking that her plan has worked. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. So Bobby walked down the street to the church. The church was on the corner. So he walked down the street and he went to the church. He went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means a holy table in a church or a temple. He went there. He looked around to see if anyone was there. He went to the altar and he was looking around that anyone was seeing him, or anyone is present there. Means he is observing the surroundings over there. Then what did he do? Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. What did Bobby do? He went up to the altar and he observed everyone around him. He looked around and observed that anyone is there. After observing, what did he do? He bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary. Mary means she is the mother of God. So he took the statue of Mary. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street into the house and up to his room. What did he do? He took the small statue of Mary, and he hid that statue under his shirt, and he ran out of the church and down the street. Means he went running. He was running to his home and he went to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. So what did Bobby do? He took the statue of Mary and he kept under his shirt, and he went running to his home. And he went inside his room and he shut the door and he sat down with a piece of paper and pen, and he started to write letter to God. We will see what the letter was. Letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Bobby. So what he has done? Yes, he has written a letter saying that God, I have kidnapped your mother. Who, as he stole the small statue of Mary, he is saying that I have kidnapped your mother. And if you want to see her again, send the bike. So he is blackmailing God, saying that I have kidnapped your mother, and if you want to see your mother, send me a bike. So he knew that as he was not a good boy in the previous year, and by writing the first 4 letters, he knew that his behavior will not help him to get a bike for his birthday. And he thought for some time, and he went to church and stole a small statue of Mary and went into his room and wrote the 5th letter saying that I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. So he was blackmailing God, saying that I have kidnapped your mother. This story was written by Richa Rao. Okay students, we will see the hard words. First one is Bobby. Second is troublemaker. Third is thought. Fourth is deserved. Fifth is behavior. Sixth is stumped. 7th is store, 8th is corner, 9th is altar, 10th is lift. And I have given you the meanings also. The first one is troublemaker, means a person who often causes trouble. Second one, deserved, qualified to have something. Reflect means think. Fourth, stumped. Stumped means walked in a noisy way in an upset mood. Fifth, altar means a holy table in a church or a temple. And the home assignment is write hard words and meanings in your notebooks. Okay students, I have given you the hard words and meanings. I want you to write them in your notes neatly without any spelling mistakes, and learn the spellings of the hard words and also learn the meanings. And we will continue the next part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.